Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a MCP client using Python. Today we will create a simple agent which will make use of the MCP server that we have created in our previous video. If you have not seen it, please I would recommend go and watch the previous video where we have created an MCP server using Python. So let's not delay anymore. Get deep into the code. Over here, in less than 100 lines of code, we have created an agent that will connect to our MCP server, which basically provides an interface for our Excel file. And with that MCP server, we have seen previously using Cloud Desktop how we can do exploratory data analysis. So today we will do the same thing, but we will create our own agent. So over here we will be importing few libraries. One is LangChain MCP adapter client, multi-server MCP client, and then LangGraph pre-built, with which we will utilize the create react agent package to create our agent. Rest of the code is quite simple. Over here you can see I have initialized my Azure OpenAI model. This is where I am connecting the MCP server. So the MCP server is running on my local at port 8502/MCP, and the transport mechanism is SSE, server side event. Then we have the prompt where I am passing the tools. So as we have discussed earlier, and you might know by now, that MCP server is a, a wrapper which basically makes tool calling easy for the agents. So that is why we will see how these tools which we used to call by tool binding and all those are now being in the prompt. The use of tool remains the same, but only the calling mechanism changes. Over here, as you can see, we have initialized a client utilizing the MCP adapter package where we have passed the config. This will help us to connect to the server. Then we have the list of tools which we are passing to the create react agent. So this is a pre-built framework from LangGraph with which we can create our agents. Now we have the message from the user, and that's it. The function over here needs, which is dealing with the agent, need to be asynchronous. That's it. We invoke the agent using a invoke, which is a short form of asynchronous invoke. Okay, that's it. After that we have created a CLI based chatbot, and exit is the keyword to quit the chat interaction or break the loop, while loop that we are running with. So let's go into the uh, CLI and see how it is working. Over here my MCP server is running, and now let's run our client program. So there starts our chatbot. Now we will pass same questions as we have in our previous video. So we will ask what are the data files available. As you can see, it has made use of the tool, and it has came back with the message that address 1, bank accounts 1, and HRDB are the data files available. Right, now we can ask what how many records are there in the address file. Over here you can see it gives the same answer as in our previous video. The address file contains 1072 records. Okay, I think this was a simple and quick um, tutorial on how we can create our MCP agents, or agents which can utilize the MCP to answer the user queries. Hope this was helpful. If you like the content, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.